Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very interesting since we'll be braiding our own line at home. So for the first step, you cut the desired length of cable or wire that is needed. Now for the length, always have the double of the desired length because you will be looping them. You'll see right now how we get them split right from the center. Put them through this tiny hook holder here. So now we have three strands towards us, that is two single strands and one double strand, that is the loop that is supposed to be centered right in the middle. It's a very basic braiding technique. All you need to do is grab and alter the sides of the center cord. So let's say whichever cord is in the center, you'll keep altering from one over and under to the right and one over and under to the left. Although this is very simple to do and doesn't take very long to get done with, I wouldn't suggest this one as much as I would suggest the one we'll be doing next. But for this one, what I love is it has a very flat profile. It's very quick and easy to do, and it does stand up to a good strength. So I mean, I wouldn't say this is the strongest weave, but it definitely gets the job done, and it doesn't take that long to finish the whole braid. Now once you're done, this is what the finished product would look like. Once done, you will have a very flat weave. It has a very flat profile and has a constant pattern running till the end. For the second braiding technique, we'll be using 4 individual strands. As you notice, all the ends are cut off. There's no loops. Now coming back to the point that I earlier mentioned, I really suggest this not more than the one I've done previously. The reason being is that the finished product has a more round and cylindrical profile, not flat. So it's a very narrow round braid. So we start off with first splitting 4 lines, all 4 strands, placing them as such in our hands. So you have 2 strands per hand. Now the pattern that we follow is going to be twist one hand, and using the other hand you grab the third line from that direction. So let's say if I twisted the right wrist, and from the left I will take the third line coming from the left. So that's 1, 2 and third line. I pinch it, grab hold of it, twist the hand that I grabbed it with, and then the same thing I repeat again with the other hand. So this time I'll be grabbing the third strand from the left again and twisting it towards the right. So basically how this braiding technique works is, when the left hand twists, you grab the third braid coming from the left, grab it with your right hand, twist your right hand again. Now you'll use your left hand to grab the third braid or the third strand coming from the right, and you repeat this process till you reach the desired length. Once finished, this is what the finished product would look like. See how narrow and cylindrical this braid is, and it's way stronger than the one that we did before. These are some hooks that I prepared using the first braiding technique, the flat profile, and this is a hook that I prepared using the second braiding technique, the one that has much rounder and cylindrical profile. And these are the final hooks that I've made. Also, if you haven't yet watched the videos on how to prepare assist hooks at home, please make sure you hit that link. I really hope you guys loved this video and got something to learn from this. If you did, please make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also leave your feedback in the comments.